draw Snow White. So let's get started. Gonna do a curve. We're not gonna draw, it's gonna be her head, but we're just gonna draw the curve because her hair is gonna be like somewhere and like that. Now we're gonna do 2 curves and this. This, and this. So we have her head, but it's a little bit too tiny. It's too tiny. But it's okay because I'm an artist, but I'm not really good because I'm 6 years old, but I draw really cool, but this is too tiny still. I'm gonna do this. Gonna do these things. We're gonna draw that. We're gonna draw the line. Like that. Now we're gonna draw her eyes, nose, and mouth. We're gonna get her to life. And now we're gonna draw her hands. In one hand she's gonna hold nothing, and the other she's gonna hold the apple. Just gonna have these so she can hold like she's happy. And now we're gonna draw her dress. I think it's too long, but it's okay. We're just learning how to draw her. Actually, maybe I'm thinking, what are we gonna use for her skin color? Because she's very, very white. What should we do with that one? But let's draw her shoes. So we're almost done, but all we need is to color her. First, I'm gonna color my Cinderella's hair. You can use the color you want. draw a little bit pink. So I'm gonna color the apple reddish pink. I'm gonna color it a little pink. And then I'm gonna put red on it. But you can use the color you want, even for the apple. Actually, the red is gonna be her headband. Why we forgot to draw one thing on it, Cinderella. It's gonna be her, like the thingy what she puts her cape on. This, we're gonna put it back. Now we're gonna color the cake. We're a little bit gonna color it right here. Instead, it's gonna be, wait. Now, we're gonna color this. Actually, and her dress is a little bit like strange because she looks like a Spider-Man. I'm just kidding. She's not a Spider-Man. But she kind of looks like a Spider-Man because she has these ones. Yeah. So now we're gonna color her skirt yellow, but you can color it how you want. Be careful. Don't color too fast, just nice and soft. Like this. And actually, I know what to do to color her white. First, I'm gonna get the white and color all over her. White. And now I'm gonna color on top peach. Yeah, we're ready. We did our beautiful Cinderella. Bye-bye. Thanks for joining my channel. My name was Selena.